Hi guys, my name's Simon Grant and I'm here today to talk to you about the Drumbrellas drum cover. So let's take a look at it then. So here it is, Drumbrella. This is how it would appear out of the box when you buy it. You'll see straight away it's got sheeting around the side that will effectively cover most of the metalwork and hardware of the drum, which is handy for drums like this, because it's a non-varnish shell. Stunning. And it's also got a handy wee drumstick holder, which I'll show you later. And you'll also see, just here, there's a wee spout, so if it's raining too much, the water will tip out of here and onto the floor. And then here we've got a nice wee slit. Okay, that's so when you put it on the drum, your harness bracket will sit here, which is very, very handy. And then on the top we've got what's almost like a bottom drum head, but a lot thicker, very, very durable. And you'll see when we put it onto the drum that this is ridiculously handy because it almost sucks to the drum and gives the exact same playing feel as it would if the Drumbrella wasn't attached to the drum. Right, let's put the Drumbrella on then. So it simply sits over the drum, and see how I'm putting it over the bracket there. And then all I'm doing is pulling down on the material on the sides, fairly tight, to ensure not only is as much of the network covered as possible, but I'm trying to create almost a vacuum in the middle of the drum. So that's it attached, and then I'm just going to push down on the hard material here, and you'll see, or you might not see, maybe hard to see on the video, but it's created a vacuum, so it's airtight in the middle there. So the playing surface is exactly the same as it would be if you didn't have this cover on. And now that the cover's on, the top skin's protected, top rim's protected, harness bracket's out so you can attach the drum when you're playing, and you're good to go. Then we'll take the Drumbrella off now, and what you'll notice when I pull it off is I'll lift it up from here. You'll probably hear the top material just separating itself from the skin, which shows you how airtight this is. It's quite a yank to get that off. And when I put my Drumbrella away, I'll put my drum in its case, like so, and then I just fold up the edges of the material and sit it on top, and it's ready to go wherever I go. Because you know in Scotland it's probably going to rain, isn't it? The one other thing about the drum cover is it's like a rubber rim here. Alright, so when you're playing, when you hit the rim, you're not going to damage the sticks off the metal rim that's underneath it. It makes the rim a little bit higher, so you might have to alter your playing position a touch to ensure that you don't whack that rim when you're playing. Another thing that I thought the Drumbrella would be good for, I mean obviously it's a drum cover, and this is an idea for it being a drum cover clearly, is I spent 11 years in the British Army with the 1st Battalion, the Highlanders. There's a few times we had to play at military funerals, some very high profile ones, and you end up wrapping your drum with an elastic wrap, and it's not waterproof, it's just cloth effectively. This could replace that, I would say, because it's got the same effect, the black material covering the colours of the drum, but it has the drum cover on top. So when you're playing, which you do at these sort of events, you've got the cover on top to ensure the drum is waterproof whilst you can still perform. And that's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed me talking about the Drumbrella. I'm sure you'll agree it's a top quality product, and if you're interested in purchasing one, please get in touch with any of the guys at Drumbrella or myself, and we can talk about prices. If you're looking at bulk orders, there could be a potential bulk order discount. There's also different colours you can get for the material on the side of the Drumbrella. Be sure to have a look on the website and check them out.